Hello viewers, welcome to my kitchen. This is my first video and let me introduce myself. My name is Murphy and I love cooking. It's my passion, which I used to do every week. So I would like to start off with my first video as my traditional South Indian chai tea. So let us begin with the ingredients. As you can see here laid in the table, a cinnamon, few pieces of cloves, Star Anise, green cardamom, black pepper, 3 bags of tea leaves, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 3 inch of ginger root, and I also have 1.5 cup of milk, a half cup of evaporated milk, and I also have a cup of water. So if you don't like the evaporated milk, you can just have straight away with 2 cups of milk, so that's fine. And let's get started with how. So beginning, I will be pounding some of the spices and then we'll boil it together, and I'll be chopping the ginger and I will be boiling it all together. Here you go. It is all been pounded, the spices, and the ginger has been chopped. So let's get started. To begin with, we turn off the stove to a medium heat and we start off with the water. We'll add the chopped spices and we'll add the cumin seeds and we'll add the ginger, including the 3 tea bags. So let it come to a boil. Okay, then while the spices are boiling, we'll add the evaporated milk into the milk. And we'll warm it up for at least about 3 minutes in the microwave. As now you can see the tea is already been well brewed, we'll add the milk and the evaporated milk together. And let it come to a boil. You may want to reduce the heat a little bit, so in a low flame so that it doesn't overboil. I guess our tea is ready. Let's just make a good stir and start serving. And we have to strain all this as we serve. As you can see, the tea is ready. So let us turn off the heat and start stirring.